Here's one of our all-time favorite cafes na worth the drive from QC to Parañaque, especially for their fish and chips. Hey friends, madalas kami sa The Black Bean back nung open pa yung Makati branch nila. But even now na nasa Parañaque na lang sila, we still drive all the way from Quezon City. Specifically because they serve one of the best fish and chips in town at pagdating dyan, laging game mag-drive si Lovey. Cobbler fish yung gamit nila and ang lalaki ng pieces. The fish itself hindi malansa, it's meaty, firm, and perfectly cooked. Tapos the coating is thin, light, and slightly crispy. Okay din naman yung dips, yung fries lang medyo soggy that time, siguro kasi nasa ilalim siya ng fish. First time namin to try the bibingka French toast and ang sarap niya friends. It has the perfect balance of sweet and savory tapos it's creamy and cheesy din. And the bread itself, tamang pagka-moist lang. As for the coffee, syempre flat white lagi. They've always had good coffee, I think medium roast yung gamit nila. It's a smooth and light drink because of the coffee bean and the milk they use. Itong Hey Love is a great cold coffee